Hey you guys, hey everybody, I am back with another video. And I know we ain't been doing a video in a long time. I think what, Taylor birthday, no, Easter vlog. So yeah, it's been a minute, but you guys, I'm back with a video. Not only back with a video, but I'm back with a cooking video. You want to say hello? Y'all, Taylor's starting to talk a little bit and jibber jabber. Don't say hi? Wave at the camera. Okay, so I'm just gonna call this creamy chicken and rice. Okay, so you will need a pan. Can I put you back down real quick? I'm gonna put her down real quick. Okay, maybe not. So you're gonna need some chicken thighs. Chicken thighs. Chicken thighs. The chicken. Okay. So also you need some yellow rice Zatarain's. Family. I have the family size. You will also need some cream of celery and cream of chicken canned soup or whatever. I'm trying to put Taylor down. Let me see if I can prop it right here. So I already seasoned and cleaned my chicken. Come on. Get down for a second. Thank you. Please. Okay. Just for this video, because I would normally will put you down. Okay? Okay. Just gonna, my oven is already preheated to 300. My oven is already preheated to 350 degrees. And I'm just gonna put my chicken in this pan. Chicken thighs in this pan. All right, she gonna have to cry for a second. Get out for a second. Real quick. I have to do something. Real quick. Alright, so all the chicken is in this pan. So you're going to basically cook your chicken. Are you okay? Okay. You're basically going to cook your chicken like halfway. It'll just make more sense as I go. See. Alright, you guys, the easiest way for me to get this video done is to do a voiceover because my daughter wants to scream the whole time. So right here, I'm just putting my rice into the rice cooker to cook for 15 minutes. Alright, you guys, it has been 45 minutes. So now you're going to take your chicken out of the oven, put a plate to the side, and just put your chicken onto the plate just like this. Okay. Now, once you got all your chicken on the plate, you're going to have like some brown soupy stuff from the chicken. That's fine. Leave it in there. It's not a lie. Ain't going to hurt you. And now you're going to take your yellow rice and add it to the pan just like this. All of it. Every last bit of it. And once you did that, you're going to just, move it all around. And then you are going to add your canned soup, cream of chicken, just like this. Now, I ain't get the Campbell's soup because the Campbell's was a little more. It tastes the exact same. I had both of them. And plus, Great Value was $2 for $1. And the Campbell's was like $3 more. So, boo-boo. No. I'm going to get the better deal. And it tastes exactly the same. I don't buy Great Value everything because not everything Great Value is good. So yeah, then you add your cream of celery just like this, every last bit of it. All right, so then I got a cup of pour milk into the can. Pour milk in the can. Okay, come on, Tia. Moving a little slow. Okay, there you go. Pour it in there. And with that same can, I'm going to add some water and pour the water in there. Just like that. Now, you're going to mix it all together. Mix it all together. And then add your chicken back in that pan. Add the chicken. Okay, add the chicken in the pan. And you're going to put it back in the oven for like 20 minutes. This meal, I gotta have my sister rolls. You get it from the frozen bread aisle. Just pop that thing in the oven for 10 minutes. Now my chicken is done. I done stirred it up already, but my chicken is done. Let me go get my husband and my daughter so they can come on and eat. Wash up. It's time for dinner.
Oh, wow.
Let's go. Let's get washed up for dinner, you guys. Come on, Taylor.
No, you heard her. We outside.
Y'all excuse her hair and outfit. She's outside at home. Come on, ready for dinner?
Let's go, Coach.
Put some butter on my sister rolls because the butter make it taste better. Butter make it taste better. And this is the final product. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this little recipe. Taylor, is it good? And I forgot to properly close out the video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I sound like a real YouTuber. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Deyes family. Bye-bye.